Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to fix a dripping hose bib like this one, and the best part is it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes and it's totally free. Step 1, turn off the water to the house. All right, let's dive in. First thing we're going to do is take this top off, not this nut here, but this one down here. It's a little bit tricky. I've already loosened mine. Let me show you how I did it. Vice grips, again, you need that bottom nut there. So make your adjustment, get them just right, and then you can crank that off. So now it looks like this right here. And here's your problem, and this is the reason it's gonna be free. So this little washer right here, we're gonna flip it, and the other side's gonna be basically brand new, and we can just put it right back together, and now it will turn off properly. The other thing you can do is buy a replacement, one of these gaskets, or next, let's remove that screw. Okay, that screw comes out. There you go. And it popped right out. I just used my fingernail. You can see this side's basically brand new. This side is worn out. That's the reason it's leaking. If you can go and find this exact same little piece right here, good on you, go do it. But this is a fast, easy way, and it'll buy you several years. So now let's flip it and put it back together like that. Screw that in. Okay, put it back together. Tighten it up. Okay, I've turned the water back onto the house. Let's test it out. There you go, no more drips. Oh, good as new. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.